mga super fabulous madam people around the world. I'm Yawards, and today I will show you my new cardboard claw machine with a much more improved mechanism than that of the first cardboard claw machine I made. Although both of them works like almost the same, but I guarantee that this one is more simple to make and it is much easier to handle and play with. It has only one crank to take control of the machine. Yes, chickens. It has only one crank to control the claw. It moves up and down, just like so. And not to mention the free template that you're going to use to make this machine. But before you watch the tutorial, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. What? You're not subscribing, man. Come on, I'm waiting for you to hit subscribe. I'm not going to proceed if you don't hit subscribe. Go ahead, click it now. Are you done hitting the subscribe button? If so, then welcome to the YoFam. And speaking of YoFam, here are some of the most amazing YoFam in this channel. Shout out to Aisha Lee Salsa, Arts and Crafts TV, MTV TV, and James Cute Kawaii World. If you want to be included in the shoutouts in my future uploads, be sure to hit the notification bell and also comment down below if you want to get a shout out. Now without any further ado, let's go right into the video. So for the first toy that we're going to pick is, I'm planning to grab this pug right here. Okay, so I'm gonna move the claw now. Oh, I think I can actually just like go and sway the claw for it to like just follow and fall down to the prize chute, but that's cheating, so let's just... Okay, so I'm gonna grab the claw, just like that. I'm gonna wait for the right position of the claw, and I think this is just great. So I'm gonna go ahead and close now. No! Why are you closing so early? No, turn around, claw. Let me see that in this right. There we go. Yes! Great job. Here's our toy pug. It's really cute. Let's just call him Edgar. Ruff. I'm gonna put our first toy just beside there. I'm just gonna display it. Now for the second toy that I'm going to grab is gonna be that one, that small teddy bear. Okay, I'm gonna go grab it. So grab it. Gonna grab it. And let's close it. Oh, as easy as that. Yeah, I was wrong. It's not that easy. Okay, so let's open up our claw again. Okay. Wait for the perfect position of the claw. And come on, turn. There. Okay. Oh, that position is very great. Okay, I think we're gonna make it. Oh, it's just slowly. Don't follow. Yes! We almost failed that one. Okay, so here's our teddy bear, small teddy bear, very cute, very cute. There's our teddy bear. Hello. Okay, so let's put our second toy there. Now I think I'm gonna go grab a candy. So which one? I'm just gonna randomly play with the claw and let's see what we got. I'm just gonna see what we'll get. There, open the claw and then close. No. I'm gonna get myself a candy. We're gonna get myself candy. Gee guys, it's so hard to grab a candy. Come on, man. Okay, I'm just gonna move on to, let's just move on to this front here. See, let's grab this yucky candy. Yucky. You know guys, if you're not a Filipino and you haven't tried this candy, it's very sour and sweet, but it's one great way to prank your friends. They're really sour and I'm sure they'll make a face. Why is it so hard to grab these candies? Can't. Oh, why? Come on, dude. Just let me get some candy. Come on. No. Get it. Okay, I give up. Let's just pick another stuffed toy. I think we can grab that elephant right there. You see it? Right there, that's so kawaii, that kawaii elephant. Let's go grab it. Go begin. Oh, nice. The elephant's so hard to get. Like, come on, elephant, come on. Okay, so I just finished resetting the machine. Now it's in different, the toys are in different arrangements. So let's try to grab that little kitten. Yes, I'm gonna grab that. Yeah, I'm gonna grab the kitten. Or maybe not. One more try, man. Let's not give up. Okay, let's not give up. Yes, perfect position right there. Okay, I'm gonna grab this kitten. No! Wait. Let's try it again. I think I'm gonna grab this kitten. Yep. I am so gonna grab this kitten. Yes! Don't try to fall. There we go. And for our third prize, we have a kitten. Actually, I don't like kittens, but hey! What's up? He can do karate too. Ding. Alright, I hope you had fun watching the video, and Quick announcement, after I make the tutorial video for this claw machine, I will be making DIY squishies and as well as DIY squishy paint and maybe some homemade squishy vending machines. I don't know. Comment down below. I've been wanting to try out some homemade squishies, but I wasn't able to do so because I don't have all the materials and I was also busy with school, and if not I would be making some cardboard machines. But since we've already done that, I've already made a lot of vending machines, some cardboard DIYs. I just think that now is the right time to dive into new things. And I really find Squishy Bobo Forever's videos really great, and I'm gonna go and try some homemade squishies too. So that's it everyone, I hope you enjoyed, and as always, stay tuned because I'll be uploading more amazing creations. That's it, bye!